Hello, friends. In this video, we intend to compare the Quotex broker with the Olymptrade broker. Both Quotex and Olymptrade brokers have a simple and smooth user interface, but the Quotex broker is lighter and runs without issues even on weaker devices. However, the Olymptrade broker has a more professional appearance and more advanced technical analysis tools, such as more indicators and more varied time frames. And if you are looking for a simple binary option, you can choose the Quotex broker. But if variety is important to you, you can use the Olymptrade broker. Additionally, the minimum deposit and withdrawal in the Quotex broker is $10. And similarly, the minimum deposit in the Olymptrade broker is $10. In both the Quotex and Olymptrade brokers, the withdrawal time is relatively fast, but the Quotex broker usually processes payments a bit quicker, especially for traders who are in sanctioned countries. In the Quotex broker, support and access for sanctioned countries are easier with a VPN. However, if you use a VPN with the Olymptrade broker, there is a possibility that your account could be closed. The Olymptrade broker is a member of FINACOM, which is an international regulatory authority in the regulations section, while the Quotex broker is under the supervision of IFMRRC, which has less credibility compared to Olymptrade. Therefore, in terms of legal security, Olymptrade is a step ahead of the Quotex broker. In the end, friends, if you are looking for a simple and user-friendly platform, you can choose the Quotex broker. But if you are looking for more advanced analyses and a greater variety of trading options, you can choose the Olymptrade broker, which is worth trying. Until the next video, trade successfully and wisely.